Afternoon. My name is Raul Antonio Piñeres Escobar. I'm 51 years old. I'm a day network management technology and currently I'm a telecommunication engineering student. I'm a network and cybersecurity engineer and I work for a multinational technology company called ATD. Final presentation. Titanic. Character. Jack Dawson. The character is a low-class Wisconsin soldier who traveled through several parts of the world. Rose DeWitt Bukater, a 17-year-old gear original left. Caleb Nat. Callie Rose's sentimental couple, a Whitney 30-year-old who the same time served as the film antagonist. Ruth DeWitt Bukater. Rose widowed mother who wanted her daughter to marry her line in order to maintain the high economic status of, of her family. Brock Love, a treasure hunter who sees the heart of the sea on the place where the Titanic remains are in Mother Earth. Fabrizio Di Rossi. Jack and Fabrizio are first seen playing a poker game with Olaf and Sven. Places. The English port of Southampton. The city's charming mixture of old work and large modern shopping center. North Atlantic. British transatlantic of the White Star Line. Important object. Diamond necklace. Jack Skipbook. My opinion about the film. My opinion the movie is that it life has many teachings as relate to the humble and features to move forward and strive for our goal. I also think that the regret to show of the people of the time and give us a vision about how they completed her technological advance at the time. Thank you.